Hi dear students, now let's move on to the C reading, extensive reading, which is especially meant for you students to read for pleasure. So now we are going through a story called Little Bobby, which is written by Richa Rao. Now let's see the objectives. So the main objectives of my today's session are the students will be able to comprehend the story, read for pleasure, explain the gist in their own words. So these are the objectives of my today's session. Children, now let's move on to the C reading, Little Bobby. You already know that C reading is an extensive reading meant for students. So you people are going to read the lesson. I'll just give you a brief summary of the lesson and you people are going to read the lesson and prepare the question and answers and you are going to present it. Yes? Now let's start with the lesson Little Bobby. I'll just summarize it and you people are going to read the lesson completely and make a notes and the question and answers. See the summary, ma. Little Bobby was a mischievous boy. Mischievous means? What is the meaning of mischievous, ma? Always does naughty things. Little Bobby was a mischievous boy. He demanded his mother for a bike for his birthday. He was a troublemaker and had got into trouble at school and at home. That is, he used to trouble others by his activities which he does at home at his school. Bobby's mother crossed whether he thought he deserved bike for his birthday. That is, Bobby's mother asked him that, do you know that you deserve a bike for your birthday? As she wanted to reflect on his behavior over last year, she advised him to write a letter to God to send for the bike. So she told him that you think about it. Do you deserve a bike? So she asked him to write a letter to God to send him a bike. So what Bobby does? He starts writing letter to God. He goes inside his room and he starts writing letter. In the first letter, he wrote that he had been a good boy this year and deserved bike. And what is the color of the bike he wanted? He wanted a red bike. So he wrote the first letter. What is the letter he wrote? Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. So now he is asking for a bike which is red in color. So your friend Bobby. So Bobby knew that this was not true. Whatever he wrote was not true. So he had not been a very good boy this year. So he tore up the letter and started writing the second one. So in the second one he wrote, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. So this is he has written in the second letter. And in the third letter he wrote, Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. He knew that they were all lies. He could not send the letter. He tore them and wrote the fourth letter regretting his behavior and assuring that he would be a good soul if he sent a bike. Now he started writing his fourth letter. God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I'm very sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. Please, thank you. Bobby. So what he is telling? I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I'm very sorry for my behavior. I will be a good boy. So in the future I am going to be a good boy if you send me a bike for my birthday. So he is requesting the God to send me a bike. If he sends the bike, then he will be a good boy. So Bobby knew that even if it was true, this letter was not going to get him a bike. So now Bobby, he became upset. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. So Bobby's mother thought that her plan was working, and as Bobby looked very sad. So just be home in time for dinner, Bobby's mother told him, and he sent him to the church. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. So little Bobby, he went into the church, and he went and he came back. He looked around to see if anyone was there. Bobby went down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the Mother of God. So what he did is he covered the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, and he came to his house and to his room. He shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. So now he started to write a letter again to God. So what did he write? What do you think he would have written in that letter? In the fifth letter, Bobby has written to God, God, I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her again, send the bike. So here he is blackmailing. He has written a letter to the God that he has kidnapped his mother Mary. If you want her back in the church, you send the bike. So Bobby wrote a letter to God like this. So this is a story. So this is the summary of the story, Little Bobby. You are going to read the lesson and you are going to write the question and answers.